Hi, I'm Leah. I'm the aquatic manager for the city of Upper Arlington. One of the things that I really love about the pools is we really offer different amenities for different pools. Here at Reed Road, we have the water slides, we have the lazy river, the play feature, and the diving board, making it a family favorite destination. At Tremont, it's a little bit more active. We have the 2 diving boards along with the climbing walls and the lily pads. At Devon, it's more of a community neighborhood feel along with the dive well and the new baby pool that we just added. The Bob Crane Community Center offers year-round aquatic experiences, which is really exciting for the community of Upper Arlington. We offer swim lessons, lap lanes for workouts. We offer the zero depth entry for little kids. We offer the basketball hoop and year-round programming such as swim lessons, adaptive swim lessons, and water aerobic classes. Safety is always our top priority. Behind the scenes, there's a tremendous amount of work that goes into the preparation and cleanliness of each facility throughout the season. Our goal is to ensure that all guests have a clean, safe, fun experience each time they come to the pools. Whether you're looking to visit a pool for fitness or a fun family gathering, one of our Upper Arlington pools has something for everyone.
Throughout the summer, we offer a wide variety of programs. We offer swim lessons for all ages and abilities. We start at 6 months old with our parent-child classes, all the way up through our active older adults and beginner adult swim lessons. We offer swim lessons at each of our 4 facilities. The outdoor swim lessons run for 2-week sessions at a time. The indoor sessions are on a 6-week rotating day schedule. We also have a polar bear swim team for our youth age levels as well. For fitness classes, we offer aqua Zumba classes, we offer aqua sculpt classes, we have aqua flow mat classes, and deep water fitness classes for all ages and abilities. All of our programs are designed to build upon previous levels. So we start with our level 1s, we move all the way up through our level 5, and once you get to that level 5, level 6, you are able to be on our competitive swim team. Parents can get involved with our swim lessons by registering online, by coming into one of our facilities, and just talking with other parents and other people involved in the swim lessons. Here at Upper Arlington, we want to welcome everybody to our pools. We'd love to have you.